Sino na ikaw?
Sinong mag-aakala na yung lalaking nakakasabay ko lang sa school bus noon ay siyang makakasama ko habang buhay.
Sometimes you just know it.
Mahal kita kahit di ko man sabihin. At mamahalin kita araw-araw. Ikaw ang aking takbuhan at ikaw ang aking payapa.
There's no use waiting. All the words and all the plans that we've been saving, gotta let them breathe. So we'll take hold of what is waiting for us now. This is the beginning. This is just
Actually, tingin ko komedyante talaga ako. Kapag nag-joke ako sa'yo, kita mo ngayon, tumatawa ka na, di ba ako nag-joke? Kasi parati ka natatawa kahit minsan sinasabi mo, napipilitan ka lang. Pero alam mo, yung ngiti at tawa mo yan, solve na ako eh. Kaya di ko pababayaan na mawala yan. Kasi dyan din ako kumukuha ng lakas kapag ako naman ang nawawala ng sayo.
you just know it. And we're standing in the place we've always hoped for. It's right at our feet.
Ang magamit mo pag namamalengke ka, mami.
Oo, wallet. Congratulations! At last, ikakasal ka na. Be a good wife.
Thank you, ma. Love you.
Always trust God.
Thank you, pa. Love you.
This is the beginning. This is just the start. Beauty meets the mystery. I'll take every part. This is the beginning. This is just the start. Beauty meets the mystery. I'll take every part. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. Just the beginning. This is the beginning.
As the famous Pokemon saying goes, I choose you again and again without pause. In every chapter, in every journey, you'll always be the one I will always come home to. And wherever life takes us, I'll sit with you just like before in our school bus, only this time for the rest of our lives. Yan na. I love you.
Kahit san man maparating, hanap pa rin ay iyong lambing. At kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa'yo pa rin uuwi. Palagi. Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
Salamat for being here on my special day. As for handpick ko kayo, kasi although wala akong barbarkadas in every chapter of my life. Thank you for being here. I really need you guys. Sorry. Iyak ako. I love you.
Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako, palagi.
Keep this photo close to your heart to honor his memory. He's never far but walks with you today and forever. I love you so much. See you at 1 p.m.
Kung
hirap, luha at lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko papapalit, ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ko. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin
aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw.
sa huli. Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Mahal sa